Hey, it's your girl, the melanated high priestess, coming back at you to raise your levels of awareness to all of the madness going on at CarbonNation. So I just wanted to do a quick recap so I can just savor this moment. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll the recaps.
Next, we have the Tower. Okay, so that's all about transition. So it's going to be a major release and a revelation. You know, something is going to occur that's going to be like, whoa, what the fuck? It's going to be straight left field. Okay? This is going to be a Tower moment. So what everybody saw today, you know, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Because all hell is about to break loose. The shit's about to hit the fan. And it's going to be a Tower moment over at CarbonNation. But again, all of that control is starting to make people question his leadership skills. Next, we have the Three of Cups. So again, this reminds me of the polygamous relationship issues that it's going to occur, and that's going to be the focus of the Tower moment, you know? Next, we have the Nine of Wands. Okay, he's going to have his back against the wall in the situation. It's going to really, shit's going to really hit the fan. And you also see how he's hiding behind there, trying to use that wand as a guard. As if the baby, a natural birth, wasn't bad enough. Next, we have the Fool card. So, looks like his fresh beginning that he was taking a leap of faith on is not going so well. And then if you look really closely, look at the dog right there. It's like his doggy ways, you know, are coming back to bite him in the ass. Next, we have the Hierophant. So this again could be geared towards the marriage, and this could also be geared towards, you know, him being in that spiritual quote-unquote, I'm going to say quote-unquote, leadership role. It looks like it's not really going that good. It looks like he has a lot of people that are now questioning his teaching because it's in the conflict spot. So looks like he's not feeling so hot as a teacher, you know. His little disciples are losing faith and turning their back on him. Next, we have the Knight of Pentacles. And by the fact that it's in the conflict spot, you know, all his little offerings, his sweet nothings, they're not working anymore. That charm is wearing off. Okay, so for the overall outcome, we have the Awakening. So there's going to be definitely a change. So once whoever leaves, it's going to feel like a fresh new start, like a renewing. Okay? Next, we have the Four of Acorns. So this is all about that comfort, that community. So he may even, you know, keep this in mind, people. He may even decide that, you know, it might be time to change locations. Time to renew a different community. And it can even mean he might be getting some new replacements really soon. Some new people to add to the community. Next we have the High Priestess. So looks like maybe he might be getting somebody on his squad that is more intuitive. So he might be trying to look for people that have more skills, because the people that he's been surrounding himself with, you know, it hasn't been going so great. So he might be trying to reinvent himself that way. Next we have Three of Crystals, collaboration. So coming together, renewing, new people coming together, working together for his little dream. And they might be even trying to refocus it back on the teachings, because everybody's been talking shit about them not teaching anything. And it's become a sideshow circus. Next we have the Ace of Feathers. So he's having that moment of clarity. So he's having an aha moment, because whatever transpired, that big tower moment, you know, he was running off of his emotions in a very immature way. Okay, in a very immature way. And now it's like he's regretting it, because it's like he's having that aha moment, like, oh shit, he really fucked up. Because now there's no turning back. Because next we have the Justice card. Okay, shit's about to get real. And he's going to have to make a decision on what to do about this aha moment when shit gets real, because of that tower moment and justice being served. He's going to weigh out all of his options. With the Eight of Pentacles, I also feel like he might end up asking for more donations, trying to reach out to other people, make other contacts, to do whatever he needs to do, because look, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, makes me think about the coins, the money, that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So he's gonna be getting in everybody's pots. Okay, reaching out to other people to have them put in to his pot. Then we have the Seven of Swords. You see him running away? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Is he trying to get some money? So I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be a bit surprised if he does another one of those. We're not going to do the live, or we're not going to open up the comments until you guys donate. So just fair warning, that might be coming, okay? Because he's trying to plan, I feel like he's trying to plan his little grand escape, because he has that moment of clarity, and he's worried about that justice being served on him, because he knows all things are coming full circle. Okay? Now, you know, I can't help it. You know, I feel like being an asshole. You know, I was going to give him his little advice cards, but I feel like he really does not deserve any advice. as far as any angel advice, oracle card advice, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not going to read them all, because I could, you know. But I will show this one. Karma is definitely going to be coming back to bite you in the ass, because right now you're in a karmic cycle. Karma is being released right now. So I'm not going to read anything else. That is all I have for you guys. I truly appreciate you guys tuning in, taking the time to check out my videos. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below if you guys want to see more readings. And again, much peace and much love to all of you guys.